Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In the last video, we made yogurt without a yogurt maker. And in the end, we got a bottle of filtered whey. This time, we will use this whey to make a gluten-free dish. For the gluten-free pancakes without baking powder, I used corn flour, rice flour, oats, and chia seeds. Then we add whey, which is rich in lactic acid bacteria. These bacteria will ferment with carbohydrates, producing a small amount of lactic acid and carbon dioxide, which not only gives the batter a unique flavor, it can also allow the batter to rise naturally, achieving a fluffy effect similar to that of baking powder. Therefore, it is recommended that everyone prepare the batter the night before and let it ferment in a warm place overnight. The next morning, you can directly make the pancakes. And at this time, you can choose to add an egg. If you are allergic to eggs and dairy, you can refer to the video I previously posted about plant-based yogurt, using whey filtered from plant-based yogurt as a substitute for dairy whey, which can achieve the same effect. The well-mixed batter is placed in a piping bag, making it easier to handle. Spray a little oil in the frying pan and cook on low heat throughout. While frying, you will see small bubbles on the surface of the pancake, as if baking powder was added. The fermented lactic acid bacteria not only make the pancakes soft and elastic, but also improve the digestibility of the grains through overnight fermentation, reducing anti-nutritional substances. For those on a gluten-free diet, this method is both delicious and healthy, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of fermentation. Now let's see how to pair these pancakes. I chose the cheese I made at home yesterday. Add a few slices of avocado. Peanut butter is also a good choice. If you don't know where whey comes from or want to learn how yogurt is made, then keep watching. The next video will guide you through a simple method for making yogurt and will reveal the secrets of whey.
Hello everyone. Today I will teach you how to make yogurt. Making yogurt is really very simple. You just need a very basic yogurt maker. This one can hold square milk cartons, and I usually buy this type in bulk. First, we need to pour out 1 liter of milk. The milk carton must be clean, and we can pour the milk directly into it. It's fine to use milk that has been taken directly from the refrigerator. Next, we need to use this kind of lactic acid bacteria. I bought this one from Chuan Shu, and it's quite useful. Look, this bag contains 10 small bags of 1 liter of milk. Generally, you would use 2 to 3 bags. Actually, using a bit more is fine. So this time, I will use 2 bags for you. Just pour it in, then cover the bag. Making yogurt is quite casual for me, and then I shake it a bit. Basically, the powder is mixed with the milk, and after shaking it well, we need to add water to the yogurt maker. I usually like to place it in the yogurt maker and connect the power. This type of yogurt maker typically has 1 button with 3 settings, and I usually choose the 3rd setting, which is the most sour. It takes about 8 hours to ferment.
This is the freshly fermented yogurt. If you like this texture of yogurt, you can simply put it in the refrigerator and take it out as needed. However, my family prefers the thick texture of old yogurt, so you will need a whey strainer like this one, which you can purchase on Amazon. I have included the link in the video description. We pour the freshly fermented yogurt into the strainer. You can see that the whey has already started to separate at 1.1 points. Then we cover it and place it in the refrigerator to continue filtering the bifidobacterium. Remember to also store it in the refrigerator for preservation. This is the result after 4 hours of filtering. I prefer the texture of this yogurt. If you want the yogurt to be thicker, you can increase the filtering time. Here, let me briefly mention how to utilize whey. You can use it to make whey bread, or dilute it to water your plants, which will increase the beneficial bacteria in the soil. The hidden net method can be used to make effective microorganisms for homemade compost, and I will share this production method with everyone when I have the opportunity. What if you don't have time to use it? You can store it in a bottle like this and keep it in the refrigerator. After talking about yogurt for a while, I will now discuss spreadable cheese. Unlike the common method found online that adds citric acid, my approach is to continue filtering the fermented yogurt. This method is not only simple, but also results in a better texture. Additionally, the fermentation process retains more probiotics, making it more beneficial for health. It's definitely a win-win method. 1 liter of milk after fermenting into yogurt and filtering for a day can yield nearly 400 milliliters of spreadable cheese. Let's take a look at the differences compared to store-bought spreadable cheese. Because this method does not include cream, the color is whiter than that of commercial cheese. And since no heavy objects are added during filtration, the texture is not as thick. However, the texture will be fresher and healthier with lower fat content. If you prefer a thicker texture, you can replace 1/4 of the milk with cream at the beginning of the fermentation process. And of course, you can adjust it according to your own preferences. Alright, overall, the method of fermentation used to make spreadable cheese is not only simple but also significantly reduces costs. More importantly, the probiotics it contains are very beneficial for the body, so you should start making it quickly. This concludes the discussion on fermented dairy products. In the next episode, I will introduce the method of fermenting legumes. Friends who are interested can subscribe to my channel so as not to miss future exciting videos. If you like my videos, please give them a thumbs up and save them to encourage me. I am Tang Xiaoxian, sharing a healthy lifestyle. This video ends here, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.